Okay, only two topic you remember. Okay, I will ask somebody. Okay, Arshini, 408. Arshini,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell some list out some points about automata theory? You studied, no? Just 1.5 month back, 1 month back. You wrote exam also.
Yes, ma'am.
Then can you list some 2-3 topics? She mentioned in two topics, finite automata and DFT.
Regular
Example.
regular
Ah,
languages,
okay.
push button automata.
Yes, very good. Then
That's it, ma'am. I
okay,
don't have.
only you remember. Okay, 418 Ullas, yes. Ullas P. Ullas. Where you went, Ullas? He is in online, but he not answering. 408, you mute itself. Mute. Arshini. Okay. 432. Why Tejas is not done? Okay. Akshay Kumar. 400.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you list out two more? I got
Yes,
finally
ma'am.
four topics. I got it now. What about it?
We learned about Turing machines, regular grammars,
Okay.
regular expressions, ma'am.
Regular expression, regular grammar. Okay. How many like regular expression topic? How many of you like regular expression topic? That is a very basic concept we required for our compiler design. Regular expression here. Where foremost to be required for regular expression for your lab subject. And also that will be continue in your theoretically. But the lab purpose we require regular expression only. I got only two options. What about others? Okay. 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 Don't worry about it. If it is don't know, if you're forget, I am not scold. I will go in from the beginning only. I will tell you for all those things. Don't worry about all those things. 418. My mic is not working. Tomorrow onwards, I don't want these type of messages. Okay? You had to ready. You had to know, no, from 19th onwards the class is start. Then you have to get ready. All those things. Okay, not now you have to realize it. Okay? Okay. No problem. Say I told the class, whatever, one more main thing is, I don't have any lab for you. As per our timetable, I have a theory subject. The theory subject totally 5 hours. Okay, 3 hours for theory only, and you gave away 2 hours for the tutorial he put as per the syllabus. Totally 7 hours per week. Every day we have class. Okay, the class is, don't think always madam will come for the class, madam will come for the class. As per the syllabus, this is a problematic subject. Some days will come 2 hours, some day will come 1 hour. Totally from Monday to Saturday, we have a 7 hours class. Okay, in that 7 hours will have, there is no theoretical subject, it's problematic subject. I required 1-to-1 interaction for that one. If you are cooperate, then only the subject is very easy. Otherwise, very difficult to write your exam. You know about the exam is compulsory we're doing? You aware about exam now? Especially for the fourth semester, you think about fifth semester is also not do exam. But you feel fifth semester wait till we conduct the exam with online class only. Then definitely the sixth semester is also exams is going on. Then be careful. You have to learn properly for the subject. Then you have any doubt in any topic, you can come and meet me. We will guide you how to do and what to do for that question. Okay. Okay, let us start. Okay. The welcome to department. The subject code is 18CS61 System Software and Compilers. Okay, the name of the subject. And only I know only one batch students I handled in third semester for those students. Remaining students I don't know. And for myself, Maya, assistant professor, and I'm available in the staff room number 2. Okay, you can see my board. Whenever, whatever you want, you can come and contact me. Okay, then let me go for what is the department vision. You also already know because we are going for the NAC accreditation for this, and in any time we can visit for the NAC people. Then if you ask, at least you can know about all those things. Because of that, just I will give 2 to 3 slides. What is department vision? To be a center of excellence in a computer engineering education and empowering graduates as highly skilled professional. Okay, next, department vision. Will ask tomorrow anyone. You have to tell me what is department vision and department vision. Okay, to provide a platform for effective learning with emphasis on technical excellence, we have to meet a vision. We had to achieve this vision of this one. It is a milestone. The second one, to train the student to meet current industrial standards and adopt emerging technologies. Third one, to instill to drive the highest learning and research initiatives. Fourth one, to inculcate the qualities of leadership and entrepreneurship. Finally, you have to go as an entrepreneur. Next, if you meet this vision and mission, then we can also achieve programmable educational objectives of your department. See, at the end of your course, not only the 6th semester, after end of your 8th semester course, while graduate as they provide a graduate with both fundamental and advanced concept of computer science and engineering for acquiring knowledge, to prepare the graduates to apply computer engineering knowledge to build professional careers. Next, to enable the student to engage in lifelong learning with the ability to involve in higher studies and research activities. The last one, to encourage the graduates to imbibe our professional ethics and soft skills. Okay. And then what is specific outcome? That is for a vision about the outcome. The graduates of the program will have the ability to build software products by applying theoretical concept and programming skill. The graduates of the program will have the ability to pursue higher studies and research in the modern computing era. Okay, let's move on to our topic. This is course title, System Software and Compiler. All of you keep from the tomorrow onwards on 100-page long notebook or else 200-page long notebook. Okay, depends on how you're involved in the class. If you don't want to solve any problem, 100 pages enough. If you require to solve, then 200 pages also completed if you are a 3-month course. Okay, please put 100-page long notebook and every day you have to write date and what are the things I am doing in that class. You have to copy down. It's not like a PPT. Whatever I am telling, each and everything you have to write down in that notes. Okay, because when I call randomly in the class hours and when you come for the clarification of your doubts, definitely you have to bring your notes, because if you are regular to the class, then only you can understand, you will not get any doubt in the subjects. Okay, because in the textbook, if you are open your textbook, you will not get any problems. For each technique, you will get only one problem. See, if you read textbook and if you read only one problem, it definitely you will not get it to for exam, because the questions you had to refer reference textbook also, including prescribed textbook. You have to refer reference textbook for solving the problem. Okay, if you don't want to search for reference textbook, if you are at least what I am giving in questions, if I solve 3 to 4 questions in the class, if I give 2 to 3 questions for homework, If you solve, then only able to write test and only able to write exam. Keep it in mind, for internals, whatever I am solving problem in the class, all the three sections, for all the three stuff, not giving single problem in the test. Means you are not able to copy. Got it? Somebody is asking for admit. Okay, the screen is visible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you got it, my okay, you got it, my points. Single problem for any of the topic you will not get from my notes or from the class notes or from the any textbook. Every problem should be different. You know the technique, then only you can apply for the class. Okay. Okay, next, see total 7 hours. The exam hours is 3. You know total number of hours 40. The exam marks 60 should be reduced. Internal marks is 40. You see the split up. 3 tests, 30 marks for the each test. You have a quiz, 3 quiz in the test paper only look at it. Including that, you have a mini project also. See, depends on the condition, we will do the mini project. We only group for the students. Out of 67 students, I make a group of 10 to 15 groups. Each groups 5 to 6 members, I added the students in that group, and for each group I give a different problem statement. That problem statement you have to implement. Okay, that carries 5 marks. That 5 marks will be added. We will have to decide it that 5 marks should be added to theory or lab. Okay, we will tell you, but the project should be there, because whatever you learn from the theory, that only you are implementing in the lab. Because of that, somewhere else we are giving a project for that to map it. Okay, this is what is the prerequisite for this subject. I ask, automata I ask, did you learn about computer organization CO? Third semester only you studied CO. Did you remember CO? CPU, memory organization, two's complement, one's complement, hardware, ALU, all those things. Okay. The second one is microcontroller and embedded system. Which language you did lab? Anyone can be name the software you did in the lab? Anyone? Microcontroller and embedded system. Which language? Kill software. Okay. Which language you written the program? Which language you written the program? C, C++, Java, Python, shell script, dash. This is the online class without exam. This is the answer. Is it right? What you call move AX, BX?
Assembly level language.
Yeah, what type of language that is? Assembly level language. Do you know assembly level language? I am not teach assembly level language, but I record assembly level language. Because you already studied in the 4th semester. I can't tell from the beginning. The instruction can't, I can tell you. But we are using assembly level language. Because of that, you should be go through that assembly level language also. Okay. What is the command used for copy from one register to another register? Can you list some registers? Can you list some register? Anyone? Can you list some register used in that program? You are using 10 program. Part A, you have a 10 program. All 10 program you written in assembly level language. Is it yes? Okay. Nobody will execute. No, that's why you don't know. Sir explained very well, but you are not interested to run the program. Tell me which command. At least can you tell me how many registers are there? Do you know about accumulator? Index register. No idea? Because I can't tell all each and every basics. You had to know what is assembly language, how to write the program. That is the basic. Okay, what is move, what is add, what is subtract, what is division, which one is source, which one is destination, how can you move the content, what are the instruction can be used, because here you are learning instead of that microcontroller, we are studying different machine architecture. Okay, we have two machine architecture we have to study. One is SIC, the second one is SIC bar XE. That is, you have to understand that you should be know about the basics of microcontroller. Do you know about data formats, instruction formats, addressing modes, all the topics in which subject? Microcontroller and embedded system. Okay, see, single subject, how much of basics you require. This is the core subject. All are core subject. For this core, we require prerequisite. Okay, okay. The next is automata theory and computability. Okay, next, all of you open your notebook, a rough notebook only you can open it. Open it. I will tell you to write. Start, write system software and compilers. Put today dates. Put today dates. Then write prerequisite. Prerequisite. First one. First one, computer organization. Second one, microcontroller and embedded system. Third one, automata theory and computability. Over? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Next one, course learning objectives. Next heading. You had to write neatly. If you ask to upload, you had to upload your notes. Every week I will I will tell you to upload your notes. I have to search from the beginning. What I am doing from that date, I have all data, which day, which topic I covered. Neatly you have to write down. See, course learning objectives. The course will enable students to, first point, to understand the concepts of system software, application software, and different hypothetical machine architecture to understand the concept of system software, application software, and different hypothetical machine architecture, comma, symbol table creation, Symbol table creation within bracket pass1, comma, object file creation within bracket pass2, comma, loader. Comma, loader. Okay, second point. To understand the fundamental concept of symbol table creation sorry, to understand the fundamental concept of translator and strategy for parsing technique. Sir, light off ಮಾಡಿ. To understand the fundamental concept of translator and strategy for parsing technique. Third one, to understand the basics of lex and YARC tools. To understand the basics of lex and YARC tools. The fourth one, devise and perform syntax directed translation scheme. Devise and perform syntax directed translation scheme for compilers better optimization. Is it over? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, who is your class representative for your class? Who is CRP? Can you tell me? Who is voluntary will be accept for our team leader for SS and CD? Anyone? Who will take? Just whenever I ask, at least you can respond. Then whatever I'm telling, is it just getting or not? Voice is working or not? My screen is visible or something? I will tell you to post that you have to do it. That is the work from my side. Who is willing to come? Can I put Likit only? Likit?
Yes.
Can you accept?
Yes,
Yes, sir. Okay. Anything if you are just call, you can yes or no is getting it. Okay, this is I have to this is our syllabus. Okay, SS and CD. We have a 5 model. Okay, the 5 model we divided into 4 course learning objectives. We had what is the objectives of the course we are dividing. The first CLO with respect to module 1. You are coming for that tomorrow
Excuse me,
class.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, whatever you are writing with pointer, it's not visible, ma'am.
The red color is not visible.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'm writing in black color. Is it visible?
No, ma'am.
It's not visible. Right.
Ma'am, mostly this is because you are sharing only this screen, ma'am. This used to happen last semester also.
Wait a minute. I sure. Okay, now check it. Now?
Yes, ma'am, it's visible now.
Yeah, 1 minute, one more minute. Okay, now we check it out.
Yeah, ma'am, it's visible now.
Okay, very good. Okay, that's I record. Okay, now it's okay. Just I screen only that PPT. If I screen the desktop, then it can accessible from this. Okay. Okay, now. Okay, now I am telling for this is for course learning objectives for all module. See, the first one I am writing with respect to module 1. The module 1 is nothing but introduction to system software and architecture. Introduction to system software and assembler. See, you already studied in the first semester what is software. Yes or no? What is software? What is types of software? You studied. See, tomorrow I will ask some basic questions on this. If you have a class for the next class, I will ask, you should be note down. What are the madam you told? What are the things I have to prepare and come? Every time I will give something, you have to be prepared and come. For each thing, I will have a one Excel sheet. Whatever the question ask, if you don't know answer, I will put 0. If your answer depend on answer, I will put some marks. Okay, that will take for all your attendance criteria, for all your marks criteria. Don't think I uploaded for our answer script the test paper out of out. I can't possibility give. If your interaction with all the things, then only you will get the marks whatever you write up in your answer script. Because with online you write up. You don't know anything in that. Just you copy and write. I require the involvement in that class. Okay, the module 1 is introduction to system software and assembler. You should be know about what you mean by assembler. Can you tell me what is the definition of assembler? What is an assembler? Compiler, interpreter. Did you hear these three name anywhere? Assembler, compiler, interpreter. I need difference of these three things. Okay, this is come under module 1 for this. The next is module 2 belongs to your compile. Only module 1 you have a separate book. You have to refer to textbook. For those two textbook, module 1 is different textbook. That is called system software, Leland L. Back. I will show that syllabus also. Then third, 4, 5, it will come for the compiler design part. The compiler design, you have a Ullman textbook. You have to refer Ullman textbook from module 2 to module 5. Okay, next 3 will be with respect to your compilers. The compilers we wrote on the CLO, and you have to know about the compilers here. Yes, yes. Hello. Hello. Really? Okay, third one is, this is module 2, introduction to compilers. The name of the chapter is introduction to compiler and application and lexical analysis. Third one is module 3. The module 3 with respect to the Lex and Yak tools. Okay, this is, we are mainly used in the lab purpose. The Unix platform, your learning program and Lex and Yak. Okay, I will tell you go through this first lecture and yak for the lab purpose next coming classes. Don't worry now. And this is for the module 4 and module 5. For the syntax analysis, semantic analysis, we have a compiler. I have to design my own compiler. Then you have so many phases. That totally we have 6 phases. Okay, that 6 phases will be your syllabus will be made as a 5 module. Okay, that 6 phases we'll make it as a module 2, 3, 4, 5. The lexical analysis, syntax analysis, semantic analysis, intermediate code generation, code optimization, the finally code generation. The totally these 6 phases you are learning in compiler design part. Okay, what is those 6 phases? How to implement? What is the technique? How to solve the problem? I will go through in detail about in this subject. Okay, I will move on to the next slide. Okay, what is the course outcome? Okay, shall we take this course outcome also? This is the last slide for this today's taken course outcome. The course outcome, once you finish your 6th semester, then you are able to understand all those things. First point, apply the knowledge of system software. Apply the knowledge of system software such as apply the hello. Hello. Assembler, loader to compare the architecture. You study 2 architecture. One is SIC, second one is SIC bar XE. Okay. I will tell you what all those things in the next future classes. Second point, analyze the given grammar. You studied in the FAFL, that is ATCI, what is grammar. Analyze the given grammar and design a parser. Analyze the given grammar, design a parser using various approaches. Analyze the given grammar, design a parser using various approaches. Third point, apply the knowledge of compilers. Apply the knowledge of compilers to demonstrate screen is not visible.
Visible, ma'am.
Okay. Apply the knowledge of compilers to demonstrate lexical and syntactical analyzer. Demonstrate lexical and syntactical analyzer using Lex and Yak tools. Using Lex and Yak tools. Using Lex and Yak tools. For Lex and Yak, you required regular expression concept. You studied in ATCI, the same type regular expression, grammar, you had to some little bit basic information if you know, then you can easily understand the lab programs. Okay. The last one, apply the knowledge of synthesis phase. Apply the knowledge of synthesis phase and analyze the correction. Apply the knowledge of synthesis phase and analyze the correlation between syntax tree and code generation. Syntax tree and code generation. Syntax tree and code generation. Okay, this subject only first 4 to 5 hours only you have a theory, because introduction to compiler you have only theory. After 4 to 5 hours then you will get a problematic. Okay, you should be attentive about theory also, because that theory also you will get a question on the exam. You should be know about what to write for that. Okay, this is your course outcome. Okay, let us. Okay, this is we did for course mapping we did as per your COPO mapping. You don't want that. See, this is my syllabus. If you want to go syllabus, you can click on this. I will share the PPT for that later. If you click this, you will get it syllabus on those things. Syllabus tomorrow I will tell you. I will upload all my notes and all my for in this Google site. It just every time you have to check Google site. This is my Google site link. And sometime I also uploaded a video for the topic in the YouTube channel. Some videos I already uploaded for the last semester, some topic, because there is also lockdown will be happen. From May month I uploaded for the some problematic topic in YouTube. You can visit YouTube also. Now also I am doing for YouTube the remaining topic what are I am not doing. If you want, you can visit my YouTube channel. If you can also subscribe for you want to update whatever the things. Okay, I will give simple small test. Okay, here I have only 5 minutes. Today I will ask 5 questions. Tomorrow I will ask remaining question. Ready for the quiz? Ready for the quiz? No. Yes. What is the answer? There are dash tuples in a finite state machine. What is the answer?
5, ma'am.
There are dash tuples in a finite state machine. 5 options. 4, 5, 6, unlimited. Only one answer? 5 only?
B, ma'am. 5.
Next is 5. Okay, 2 answer from 5. Next. Tell us your answer. The answer is B. Correct. Okay, because states, input symbol, initial state, accepting state, and transition function. Good. Okay, shall I move on to the second question? Transition function maps dash. Transition function maps. Today I will giving ATCA question. Tomorrow also continue for ATCI. You have to prepare and come for Wednesday class. Tomorrow I don't have a class for your section. You have Wednesday class, 9 o'clock I think. Okay, transition function maps. Okay, I will give options. Tell me which one is answer. A, B, C, D. Don't worry. You just participate.
D, ma'am.
You want prize? See, next onwards, I will put one small chocolate for prize. Those who solve problems quickly, I will sponsor. Okay, which is the answer? B. What is sigma says?
B.
What is sigma says? What is
Input
Q
alphabet.
says? Q is set of states, no? Sigma is input.
Yes,
Which one
ma'am.
will be you getting? In states and input or input and states? The answer is D. Inputs or states and input string output is states. Third one. Number of states required to accept strings end with 10. You know DFA. You know NFA. Is it right? With respect to that, I will ask the question. What is the answer? Number of states required ends with 10. Answer. You want? I will give option. Yeah, I will give option. 3, 2, 1. The answer is
3, ma'am.
Three
states.
3 state. Fix or 2 state. I have only ends with 1 and 0. Is it required 3 or 2?
States.
Very
Three.
good. Yeah. Correct? Yeah. Out of 3, your section got 2 marks. This is the minimal finite state automata. Shall I go to the next class? Okay. Extended transition function is dash. Extended transition function is dash. So you check the option. Extended. Second question is transition function. The fourth question is extended transition function is. No idea? Answer. The answer is A. This takes single state and strings of input to produce a state. Okay. The last question. Today's last question. Still I have some question. I have to check your class strength. How you know basics? Depends on that. I have to decide it how to teach it. I had to go in depth, and then what type of problem I have to solve. These are all come with your answers. You not tell any answers, you don't know anything. Then you are very difficult for these subjects. What is the answer? Delta star q comma ya is equivalent to dash. Okay, take an option. Which one is correct?
B, ma'am.
Answer is B.
Yes, ma'am.
Any more option? Only one option is B. Any other? Very good. The answer is B. That is first it parse which one? Y. Later it parse for the input A. Because of that we declare as delta star of Q of A then comma A. That is your previous question is also extended question for transition function. That comes here. Okay. I will continue for next class. Okay. Afternoon also you have a class. Yes or no? There I will have some other questions. I will ask and I will do for the lab. Okay. Thank you. I will end my. Okay, some students still asking for joining the class. Okay. I can't give for those students. Download attendance. 59 students are there. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.